Good morning, kiddos. Today is Thursday, April 2nd. I had a special request to show my puppy Gus, but he is currently in trouble because he used the bathroom in the house. So he has to be in his kennel, and he knows he's in trouble right now. So there's Gus, but he did something naughty. Okay, hocus pocus. What's our focus? I can add a multiple of 10 to any two-digit number within 100. So today we're going to add double-digit numbers together, which is the first time for a while. Ben sharpened 5 pencils. He has 8 more unsharpened pencils than sharpened pencils. How many unsharpened pencils does Ben have? So he has 5 pencils that are sharpened and 8 pencils that are not sharpened. 8 more. So that means he has at least 5. So if we do our little tape diagram that we practiced before spring break, that's Gus whining, so please try to excuse him. Gus, no. Because he knows he's in trouble. Sharpened pencils, he has 5. Unsharpened pencils, he has at least 5 unsharpened pencils, but we know he has 8 more than that 5. So then the addition sentence would be 5 plus 8. This tape diagram, this form of tape diagram, is just made as a visual for you to see that there are at least 5 in the unsharpened pencils. If that confuses you or if that doesn't make sense to you, then don't worry about showing that version of a tape diagram. So 5 and 8, I'm going to do my touch math skills. So I know there's touch math points right there. I'm going to start with 8. Stop, Gus. Start with 8. Sorry, guys. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So to answer the question, how many unsharpened pencils does Ben have? He has 13 pencils. Gus is hearing the wind, and it's freaking him out. Okay, money review. Oh, is this one of my favorite songs? It is.
You see us all around, in a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name. 4 of us by name. I'm a President Lincoln penny, a coin that is worth 1 cent. When you save a lot of us, together we can be well spent. I'm a shiny 5-cent nickel. President Jefferson is who you see. If you give someone 5 pennies, you'll get back 1 of me. We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around, in a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name. I'm a very thin little dime, with President Roosevelt's face. If you have 2 nickels or 10 pennies, then they can take place. I'm a shiny George Washington quarter, the largest coin of the four. I equal 1 nickel and 2 dimes, worth 25 cents at the store. We jingle and we jangle, you see us all around, in a piggy bank or pocket, or even on the ground. We come in different sizes, we do not look the same. I wonder if you know each of the 4 of us by name. We jingle and...
Oops, I quit it too early. Okay, this coin is worth 10 cents. What is its name? Starts with a D, ends with an E. It is a dime. There we go. This coin is worth 1 cent. What is its name? It is a penny. Whew, my writing on this is getting worse and worse every day, I think. Okay, guys, you have to go back in here. 40 plus 30. So when you have a 0, then it makes it even easier for you because all you have to worry about, Gus, no, is the digit in the tens place. So really see it as 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, so we have 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, woohoo, 7, and then we just cannot forget to put that 0 because it's 40 plus 30 equals 70. Gus, no. So we first had 40 plus 30 equals 70. We are just adding 5. Okay, so we still have 40 plus 30 equals 70. But now we have 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is still 5. So now it's 75. Here is a representation of us decomposing. Some of you are experts at the decomposing number bonds like you see on here, and it makes a lot of sense to you. And then some of you, it doesn't make sense to you and you'd rather do fist bumps or touch math or mental math, and that's okay. This is just a visual representation, 45 plus 30. It's showing how we decomposed 45 into 5 and 40 so that we made that easy 10 of 40. So 40 plus 30 equals 70 right here. And then we added 70 to that lonely 5 to make 75. Same exact thing that I just showed you previously. It's just a different way to do it. 51 plus 40. Okay, so I'm going to start with my tens. 5 plus 4, from my prior knowledge, I know 5 plus 4 is a factor of 9. My computer's being silly. And then I have a 1 and a 0. I know that 1 plus 0 equals 1. So 51 plus 40 equals 91. again, here is another visual. On your Shobi assignment today, it's going to want you to do, it's going to ask you to do this kind of representation, but if this kind of representation is too confusing or doesn't make sense or whatever the reasoning might be, then don't do it, okay? This is just giving you another tool in your toolbox to use if you need to find a strategy to solve a problem. But we already have lots of tools in our toolbox. We have quick tens and ones that you can use. You have your number chart of 120 that I gave you that you could use. You have your 10 frames that you can use. You have touch math skills that you can use. You have fist bumps. So this is just another strategy to put in your toolbox. You do not have to do this if you are confused by it. So here I'm going to do 2, 6, 2 and 6 I know from prior knowledge is 8. And then I have 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, how much money is here? You will have some money questions on your Shobi. And in the classroom, I have taught you to write the amount on each coin before you add, so that way you don't forget. So this is a dime. We know a dime is worth 10, so I'm going to write 10, 10. A penny is worth 1, 1, 1, 1, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, plus 10, 20, 30. So now we need to add them all together. But with the money coins on here, it's already a picture for you. So really, you could skip count and add them all together. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. You know how much I love my pictures. It's a great visual for me. It helps my eyes and my brain understand what I'm doing. And so this is right up my alley. I love to see pictures representing something, so it helps me understand it. All right, so here we go again. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. And then these are all ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, there's two different things here I could do. I could use the visual like I done the last one and skip count. Or I could use my prior knowledge of learning the 120 chart and knowing that 53 plus 10, I just have to go down a row and see that that's 10. And so 53 plus 10 is 63. Okay. Since I finished early, I kind of tried rushing through that for a reason. Today for reading, you're going to use your workbook. This is going to be the last activity you have to do. It's pages 28 through 33. And then on the very, very last pages, there is this activity that you guys can do at home. That's kind of fun. And then it says to write about your time at home and your experience and feelings about this COVID-19, this coronavirus going on. This is a living history that we are experiencing right now, and it's going to be awesome to be able to go look back at your memories and how you felt and what was going on in your life. So use one of the journals I gave you, jot down some things that you're feeling, okay? Miss you all. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.